Across the country, consumers are watching their wallets.
Every time you want to do anything, there's a fee. So it's almost like you're putting your money in the bank and it just sits there, and anytime you want to, I don't know, whatever you want to do, there's always a fee attached to it, and it's going up and up.
But it isn't the cost of spending that's the issue. It's the cost of credit. Banks and credit card companies are getting the jump on Obama administration policies addressing consumer protection practices. Those laws won't take effect until next year.
Companies were often deceiving Americans and lowballing what they told them about the actual costs of the credit they were offering. In other words, credit card companies weren't telling Americans the whole truth about the real costs of the credit that was being offered.
For some, that means larger monthly bills with newer and higher fees.
Raising fees, trying to raise fees before legislation is passed.
Late fees, loan origination, over the limit, and overdraft fees helped to generate 53% of banking industry income in 2008. That's a 35% increase since 1995.
There are lots of traps and tricks the credit card companies have used to increase their income, and ultimately they've harmed Americans.
These days, consumers are being more vigilant about the fees they're incurring on their bank and credit card statements. In anticipation of tighter regulations, creditors are looking to make up a shortfall, and consumers are getting stuck with the bill.
I think the changes will come. They're passing laws, they're putting regulation back in the books because they realize whatever we started in the 80s is not working. But I don't think we're going to see the change that quickly.
Overdraft fees are becoming more profitable for banks. A bank can charge an average fee of $30 for a bounced check. These excessive costs are causing consumers to be a little bit more stingy when it comes to shopping and putting money back into the economy.
Sometimes they put a due date on a Sunday, and then you mail it Monday. Whoa, you're late. So things like that you got to watch out for.
Consumer advocates are advising consumers to check their credit card and bank statements regularly, now and even after consumer protection laws are enacted in 2010. For Press TV, Colin Campbell, Washington.